Today we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride Bumper Pull 27,000-pound Lowboy equipment trailer. Now a Lowboy style trailer simply means that the deck is down in between the wheels for a lower ride height. Our Lowboy equipment trailers are available in lengths from 14 feet all the way up to 30 feet. This particular model features an extra wide deck with drive-over fenders for loading larger equipment. So let's start at the front and work our way to the back. Up front we have a forged 4-hole adjustable pintle ring that allows you to adjust the height of your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure your trailer rides level while going down the road. Behind the coupler, we have a heavy 10-inch channel tongue. Others in the industry often use a lighter 8-inch channel, but we feel that a 10-inch channel provides better strength and stability for a trailer this size. The 10-inch channel tongue wraps all the way to the axles and is welded to the first part of the suspension for maximum mainframe support. Every Texas Pride trailer features all required DOT safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains, emergency breakaway switch with long-lasting battery, and more reflective tape than you will find on most other trailers. Next, we have dual 12,000-pound drop leg jacks with spring return. We feature dual jacks on our heavier trailers for easier connecting and disconnecting from your vehicle. The spare tire mount is also located right in front of the jacks and is very accessible. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all of the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Walking around to the side of this particular trailer, we have a heavy 10-inch channel mainframe. This is one of the largest and strongest frames you will find on a trailer this size. On the side of the frame, we have stake pockets and a heavy gauge rub rail for securing your load from almost every point on the trailer. The stake pockets are just the right size that you can insert 2x4 lumber in them to make removable wooden stake sides if you wish. The cross members are 3-inch channel on 16-inch centers under the deck. Some other trailers this size use angle iron for the cross members and put them on wider spacing, but we feel with our cross member configuration there is plenty of support for varying loads. The decking on the trailer is pressure-treated lumber and is fully screwed down to the cross members. There is also an option for an upgrade to diamond plate steel flooring as well. Another key feature on this trailer are the heavy gauge reinforced fenders. These fenders are purposely made to drive over and are manufactured from heavy diamond plate steel with traction bars welded to the front and back for maximum traction while loading and unloading. The deck is extended on either side of the frame with steel plating to match the outside width of the fenders. This gives you a full 102-inch wide deck for extra wide equipment. This extra wide deck and drive-over fender combination gives you one of the most versatile Lowboy trailers you can get. For running gear, you have triple heavy-duty 9,000-pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 6 wheels standard. If you get in a slippery situation, you want all the braking power you can get. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the hub center cap off and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. And where the rubber meets the road is going to be 6 17.5-inch premium radial 16-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels for maximum stopping power. There is also an optional spare wheel and tire that mounts on the front of this trailer. As we walk to the back of the trailer, we come to the Dovetail. The 4-foot Dovetail is heavy gauge diamond plate steel, also with traction bars. This provides a more gradual incline with better grip for safer loading and unloading of equipment. 5-foot heavy-duty steel ramps are included on this model, and you have the option of your choice of slide-in ramps that stow underneath or stand-up ramps with a support bar for heavier equipment. We also offer aluminum ramps as an upgrade, and they are half the weight and have the same strength. The paint and finish on the trailer are nothing less than top-notch. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. If you have any more questions about this trailer, please feel free to give our friendly staff at Texas Pride a call. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to look at our extra wide model 27,000-pound bumper pull Lowboy equipment trailer.